Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ciera Michelle. If you're a returning subscriber, what's good? What's up, cousin? What it do?
What it is? What's up? What's up?
On my channel, cousins equal subscribers. So, if you're wondering what the cousin thing is, it's basically you family now that you're subscribed to me. So today is going to be a quick little video on pretty much just how I got into reading the Bible or how to start reading the Bible. I don't want to hold y'all too long. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and download the Bible app because it's free. I'm not affiliated with anyone. I just want to give y'all some free knowledge. So download the Bible app and go ahead and look at the plans or the devotional. So when you're looking at a plan or a devotional, pretty much just pick out what would actually speak to you. Don't pick out something like, okay, the book of Revelations. Like, come on, just don't pick out any random book because you feel like that's what you should read. Pick out something that's gonna really speak to you. For me, I picked out something dealing with relationships and how to date. So that really spoke to me. I also picked out staying uplifted, staying encouraged. It really just depends on you as a person and what you want to start reading. I wanted to be uplifted, and I also wanted to use some practical stuff that I could relate to my current life and my current situation. So it kind of motivated me to finish reading those devotionals. Another way you can like make sure that you finish reading your devotional is just to set a reminder. I don't like reminders because I hate when I get a lot of notifications on my phone. I know how to read the Bible, but some people need that reminder because they're super busy. So I like to read my devotional either when I get to work or either before I go to sleep. So it just depends. And sometimes I'm not perfect. Sometimes I just don't read it. Another cool thing about the Bible app is that they have audio to go with some of their lessons. They also have audio to go with the Bible if you don't want to actually read. Let's say you wanted to commute to work and you just don't have time to be on your phone and drive. Go ahead and put that phone, Bluetooth it to your car, and then just put on that audio version of whatever you're trying to listen to, and it works out. Another app that's similar to the Bible app, because the Bible app actually does send you guys, like, if you want, they'll send you a daily like motivational quote or something, or a daily Bible verse. I don't personally like notifications. I really don't. I'm not gonna look at it. I'm gonna probably look at it and skim past it. I'm not gonna remember that verse for that day, so it doesn't do anything for me, but maybe for somebody else it will. So they have those notifications where they'll send you a little Bible verse, but also Sprinkle of Jesus has that as well. That's an app. I used it for a little while, but it really didn't do nothing for me. You know, I can look up motivational quotes myself. I like to keep my phone storage pretty low because I actually record on my phone. So just practice giving God at least like 10 minutes a day. Read that devotional, pray, and keep that positive mindset. It's all about your mind. Your mind controls your day, what you're gonna eat, what you're gonna do. Don't be in a funk. Stay motivated, stay uplifted, and just stay positive. I hope you guys have a blessed and wonderful week and day and month and year. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to watch my next suggested video by me. And hit that subscribe button. See you at the next upload.